Hello, guys, I'm Evan. Today, I'll teach you how to upgrade Fly CDTS01 screen tester system. The reason for upgrading the system is that the screen tester you got before is version 2.0 system, and there is a problem that some models cannot be tested. With this system upgrade, these problems will be solved. Before upgrading, please contact our company to obtain the app and program files required for the upgrade. Next, let's upgrade together.
Step 1. Unzip installation package.
Download the program of the installation package M8 and extract it to D drive.
Step 2. Format the SD card.
Remove the SD card from the TS01 screen tester. Through the card reader, connect the SD card to the computer and format the SD card after that.
Step 3. Copying files.
Copy all files in the M8 folder to the SD card. Then put the SD card back into the Fly CDTS01 screen tester.
Step 4. Install the program.
Double-click the M8 online system. EXE installation package to install the app on the desktop. Click Install. Click Setting button, open System Settings page. Click Select button, select M8 file directory. Click Determine button to save the settings. Enter the user account and password. Click Login button. After successful login, the system starts to validate the file. After the verification is completed, enter the software home page.
Step 5. Firmware upgrade.
TS01 screen tester with battery installed need to be powered on first. After that, you need to connect the data cable to the computer USB interface first, and then to the TS01 test box. If you follow this order, you can upgrade the firmware of your device. The device firmware upgrade is complete. Look, there are two screen testers, one is upgraded, the other one is not. I tested the Note 10 Plus separately. Look, I cannot test with the screen tester that wasn't upgraded. But the upgraded screen tester can be tested. During the process of upgrade, make sure your computer is on / or running, otherwise the upgrade will fail. If the process fails, please do the process again. If there is any problem, please feel free to contact us. This is FlickD TS01 screen tester system upgrade tutorial. Do you get it?